Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Germany. When I did here, I want just give our people small advice. You understand? You know, if you did Germany and your pikin get passport, and you get passport, and you go you know, say if you born now, you can't go do birth certificate. So some people don't know the real one, some people don't know the fake one. The fake one na be the one where be say, you know, they carry ego for the back. You know, they carry ego for the back. You understand? Some people, they carry ego, some not they carry. You understand? So if you want to know the one where they carry ego for the back, you go how you go take do am. If they give you the birth certificate, you go look am. Ego supposed to dey the back. The ego not it dey big, it go just big for the back. You understand? But some people not they know. They'll go give you where your pikin na citizen, they'll come go give you fake one. That one, you know, they carry any ego. You know, say some birth certificate a day. You go get what you want to do for Germany, and you not go feed one because of the one where they give you. So people not they know the real one, so not they know the fake one. So now say make I teach you now today. Not be only saga and go they listen. Now say make I teach you now today. Real one day, fake one day. All those ones will be aduro for year. Neither they give all those ones, you'll be like ordinary paper. The thing not they make sense. Not let they do anything. Now make if they want to deport them, they not they look and say they're born here. Because they not recognize their children. They not be citizen. They not get the real birth certificate. They will just give them that fake one. You understand? But if your pikin are citizen, they go give you the one we carry ego for back. The one we carry ego for back. The one will be real one. Then they give you. You understand? Because of some people will be say they know. They'll go give them the fake one. Your pikin will be citizen supposed to get the real birth certificate. So that one are for that one. If you dey Germany here, they give you doom. Doom. Not me say some doom day. Not be say they want to deport you. Yeah. Some doom day. Not be say they want to deport you. That make them give you doom. So people not they know the difference. They go the feel say they want to deport them. They will come the fear. You understand? But if you say they want to deport them, that means they give them doom. No. Someday they want deport you too. You still there. But if your pikin get passport and your wife get document, so if they give you doom, make you not fear. See, they want deport you. They also give you document. Then make they give you that one. Because some people they always fear this doom well. So see they maybe they want still grant you for aduro, but you now go come because of fear now go it. I know one like that. We run. Say they give and doom. He come begin the fear. He come out. You go Italy back. When they come send a letter, me come collect documents. It was not around. Then we can't take no, it don't late. They not gonna give them again. You understand? I know say many people they fear. Say they don't give me doom. They want to deport me. They want to do this one. You can't begin the fear. Now they make some people they'll run. And maybe that document they be want give them. You could come pick crazy. Say they want to deport them. You understand? So that one are for that one. So my people, another thing when I want to say advise mothers. If you come Germany here, come shop aduro, try. May you make sure say you get documents. Try. May you make sure say if they give you paper, you don't go school, come back. Find work, may you they do. Work, they very important too. Some people go say they put paper for renew. The paper no gree come out again. Oh, you know why I no gree come out? What be say you be do something bad o. Maybe you don't, you break their law. Maybe you not go school for a year. And make your documents not great come out. If you go school, you go give them paper where you take even start at all. They go renew it for you. Say you just sit down for a star house. Bagada. You don't want to even go school. You don't want to do anything. They'll wait for you if you want to renew paper. And then they'll come to wait for you. If you can't reach that time, they don't renew it for you again. They'll come say, when paper when you take go school, you come begin to say, I don't know say I'm supposed to go school. There is that too. From there, they're not going to renew it for you. And if you see they go to school, you see they take excuse. My pikin do this one. My pikin not well. You go there as. They will leave you. After you do, they go stop you. They go stop you. They'll say because you're not serious for the school. If you're serious, you're supposed to come school. If you too give them excuse, they go stop you. And so they do one for Germany. So you will be say you never reach your turn now. May you not wait, make you reach your turn no. Before you go know say you're supposed to do something about time. You understand? Hey. So that one for that one. The deportation, no. Na truth. They deport for Germany now. Even though you born 100 for them, you born many children for them, say they want to deport you, they go still deport you. They go deport you. Even though you born how many children for them, as far as say you don't get paper, you don't get a document for you. And they don't tell you, say, may you come out. My dear, not wait for them all. Now, they don't even know the strategy all of them they use. I first talk and for video when I do. If they see, say, you come out, they want to come deport you, they not see you. They wait for you in the afternoon. They'll come, they stay your area. If you just come here, you can collect something. You go see yourself for where you don't expect. And then all those people where they give person, where they help, all those you get some. Not be all they bad though. Some they good. If they tell you say that you need help, say they want help you, may you not refuse them. If you refuse them, they go put eye for your body. And then they say they'll come collect their children. Some people know they talk the truth. If you cooperate with them, they can never take your children from you. And don't be the real truth with it. But if you not cooperate, they go take a more. And if you get them, they tell you say that they come. May you clean house. Make everywhere fine. They say everywhere they neat, everywhere they okay. They can never take your children from you. You understand? But some people know they talk truth while they collect their children. They collect my pikin. They do this, they do that. You can never talk the reason why they collect them. You understand? So now that one, like before that one. So my people, anything you want to think about this video, make una leave una comment and una help me share them. Share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye everybody. Please help me to share. Share to your WhatsApp, share to your Facebook. You can share it and you place the link on Facebook. Share it to people for your WhatsApp, for your group, you know. And from there you sit in the airport. So I'm going to bring the latest. Thank you. Please help me to share the video.